In this video tutorial, I will walk parents through the messaging feature in the new Houston County School District app where parents can connect with teachers directly. First, you want to make sure you've downloaded the app on your phone. From here, we'll go up to the app, look for HCSD, click on the app to open. Then we want to go down to the bottom and look for messages right here. We're going to click on messages. And now it'll open and you can see conversations in between teachers and parents. To view an existing message, you will just click on a message to open. And then you will see where this teacher has sent a welcome message for the year. In order to respond to the message, you want to go down to the box and you can click in the box and you can start typing a message. You also have the option to use a record over here, and you can come over to this plus icon, click on it, and then you can choose a photo from your phone or a file, or take a photo and insert it into the image. I'm going to click back up here inside of the box where the text is, and that removes the box where we're possibly inserting a photo. To send, you would go up here to this little arrow icon that goes to the right that's outlined in the blue box and click on that to send the message. In this case, I'm not going to send the message. I want to go back up to the top and the arrow beside the teacher's name. If we click on it, it goes back to the first screen. To send a message to a teacher that you haven't interacted with yet, you would go down to the bottom right, click on the square icon with the pencil, and now it's going to open up to suggested staff. Most of the time, that's going to be connected to the teachers that your child currently has, so you can click on one of them to send a message to, or you can also go up here to the top where this little person icon is with the plus arrow, click on it, and then you can search contacts as well. So let's say that we're going to search Miss Frank at Perry High. Search for Frank, and then now I'll have an option to come over here, select Miss Frank, and then I can say add to contacts if she isn't already in there. And then once again, I can send her a message. Now we're going to go back to this screen. And from here, now you can see all of the messages. And that is how you view and send messages to your child's teacher.